Hello again. Welcome back to MarineMax Gulf Shores. Today we're going to be taking a brief look at a 2020 Grady-White Freedom 285. Like all other Grady-Whites, this Grady-White boasts the legendary CV2 hull, smoothest riding hull in the industry. It's painted Cape Gray sides with twin 300s. Best cruising speed 3,400 RPMs, 30 miles an hour, right at 2 miles per gallon. Top speed 6,000 RPMs at 55 miles an hour. Let's climb aboard this 285 and see what she looks like. On the transom, you have your transom well, your fish box, and a wide transom seat. This boat has a beam of 9'6", so it's a very roomy boat. Nice electric lounger. Prep area. This particular 285 is optioned out with the helm master, ready to put your electronics on. It's a wide double seat to sit two on the port and starboard side. A very roomy head. As you walk to the front of this boat, you can see it's laid out for enjoying yourself with the family. For a full viewing of this boat and any of our other Grady-Whites, come and see me, Dwayne Diggs, at MarineMax Gulf Shores.